Hello my friends, how are you? Today we are on location. Woohoo! We're in a car. Okay, so I have been trying for days to film my June 1st paycheck and how I've been like spending it. But I have new neighbors who just, I swear they have a nightclub in their backyard, because the moment that I get home at it's around 6 o'clock, they are blasting music till midnight, 2 in the morning, or when it starts raining. So I have been going crazy, but right now it is, what time is it? It is 8:11 in the morning, and I have work in 15 minutes, and I got here early. I'm usually here early all the time because my kids are still in school as of today, and so I go ahead and drop them off, and then I drive to work and kind of just sit here for anywhere between an hour and 30 minutes depending on when I get here. So I decided, hey, let's go ahead and do this today. Another thing, disclaimer, my nails are a mess. My manicurist, aka my daughter, has been talking to boys, and so she has been ignoring me. And then if I would do it myself, she'd be like, Mom, why didn't you wait for me? Because you're talking to boys, that's why. So as I look like a weirdo just sitting in my car, I'm gonna go ahead and get on with this. So I got paid about $772. I had some money in there. It was insane. Basically, someone broke into my car and I had forgot my wallet in my car, in the middle part of my car, and because they broke into it, they stole my debit card, they stole my credit cards, they stole my store cards. I have a gift card, and they just stole everything. So I've been dealing with all of that, trying to get my money back, just craziness. So I had some money saved in my account. I was able to pay my storage unit because I have a storage unit now with that money, and then this is just random stuff that has been left over. So I know that I didn't get paid this much because my hours were cut, but this is how much I was able to spend. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that sideways. And how are you guys? I miss you guys so much. You don't even know. That's why I'm I have to just sit down and film this, because if I don't, then that guy's staring at me like I'm a weirdo because I am in my car. But it's okay. Oh, look, I tried to film him and then he ducked. Looks like a firefighter. But anyway, that's not the point. The point is that, let's see. So for my rent, I paid my $500. Now, I am going to have to go and do a debt tracker type thing with you guys, because I am $500 behind in my rent right now because of everything that's been going on. So yeah, it's been craziness. So rent was $500. For gas money, I spent $50. I had to get my driving record, and my driving record was $10. Now, with my new job, I am an administrative assistant / transportation. So but basically what happens is that I was supposed to be part-time, and then they moved me to a full-time position, and kind of combined two different jobs for me. So even though I make less money at this job, it's guaranteed 40 hours a week. So I took this over my pharmacy job, just hoping that, I can get some kind of stability in my life. But I had to do a whole bunch of stuff for this job because I'm going to be transporting clients and driving a van once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks, depending on when they need me. So I got that stuff going on. So I had to get a BCI check in Rhode Island, and that one right there was, oh, I don't remember. Oh, it was about $10. Actually, I think it was 13, but I'm just gonna put $10 down. I had to transfer my license. I am no longer carrying a Colorado driver's license, guys. I know that I've been here since 2019, but I didn't want to let it go, and I had to, so I went and I did that yesterday, and that was about $50. That's how much I saved toward that. For food, I have been just buying little things here and there, whatever I've needed, so that was $100. Again, I haven't even spent money since the 26th, so even though I got paid on the 1st, I wasn't able to even spend any of this money until like last week when I got my debit cards in the mail, because my bank is in Colorado and I couldn't get a debit card, so I had to wait. So this is the only reason why I know how much I spent and how I've been like saving stuff. I had a friend who, she was like, you've helped me so much before, let me go ahead and give you some gas money. So she gave me $20 for that. I actually had to borrow money off my son for gas. So it's been a journey, guys. My chauffeur's license was $10. For Amazon, it comes out automatically, and that was $8. My kids, this is their last week of school, and every day I've been having to give them some money, or they walk down to the library. So and I just pick them up after work with that. So I've been giving them bus money a couple of days a week to get home, and so right now they're at $10 for that. Eating out, it's only because all my coworkers were like, hey guys, we're gonna order food, and then I was like, okay, fine. So I spent $10 for that. And then for I found out that I needed this yesterday, so for my BCI check in Colorado, that was $14. So let me see. I'm gonna go ahead and add all of this up, and hopefully it did it correctly, because God only knows, right? I'm like, it's me we're talking about. So let's see, I have 772, take away 500, 50, 10, 10, 50. Look, it's not even recording or doing it properly. Okay, take away 50, 100, 10, 8, 10, 10, and 14. Woohoo! So I got down to 0. So this is my zero-based budget. Woohoo! Now tomorrow should be a paycheck from like my pharmacy or whatever, because I did work a couple, I want to say I worked at least a few hours for them. They've been calling me randomly and like, hey, can you come in for 3 hours and do a code green, or can you come like in and just like help us do some inventory. So money is money, so I've been going, but now with the pharmacy, I'm only working 1 shift a month, so that way I can keep my license, which I have to pay for this month. So with that being said, I should only be getting 1 paycheck from them, which is going to be like the 2nd week, maybe the 3rd week of the month, depending on like if I actually show up. Which I should. I need money, so I'm definitely going to show up. But hopefully Friday, which is going to be the 17th, I'm going to go ahead and get paid from this job, and then I should know the average, because I work straight, I get paid for 40 hours, so that's 80 hours a week, so I should know how much my take home will be, and then I'll be able to like kind of adjust everything from there, and then just pick up shifts whenever I can at the pharmacy, so that way I can, you know, I can make some extra money, but I'm struggling with a lot of stuff right now, like food stamps again, still struggling trying to get food stamps. They said because I have 2 jobs I make too much money, and it's just crazy because like I'm not full-time at both jobs, like I only work 1 shift a month, so it's a mess with that one. But as long as my kids have like medical, I'm okay. Like if I have to pick up another job or more shifts or whatever, so that way I can afford food, then I will definitely do that. And then I don't know, I gotta get out of debt. I need to get things like handled a little bit better, because now I owe my son like $120. I owe my landlord $500. I like am behind in bills. Like just crazy stuff is going on, and I still haven't got my income taxes, so it's not like I could just go out and, you know, pay everything. So but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let you guys go, because it is now, oh my, I shut it off. But it is 8:21 and my shift starts in 10 minutes, so I'm gonna run upstairs. But I just want to say that I miss you guys, and I hope that you guys are having the best week ever, okay? And do not leave anything in your car. Learn from me, because I was screwed for like 2 weeks because I didn't have debit cards, I didn't have money, I didn't have anything. So do not leave anything in your car, okay? Because it's crazy out there. Alright guys, so again, this is my zero-based budget for $772. Alright guys, I will see you later. Have a good day. Bye.